Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Flo Pilates subscription. So my dear friends, there are three methods to cancel your subscription. So you need to cancel your subscription where you have purchased your subscription. So in this video I'm going to tell you three methods. The first one method is like via application. You need to open your Flo Pilates application and you need to click on your profile icon. So you can see there is an option like your profile icon. You need to tap on your profile icon and you need to select this option, your plans. Once you select your plans option, you will see there is an option like subscription options. Okay, in my case I don't have any subscription, but in your case you have active subscription. You can cancel your subscription very easily by using this area. Okay, so now let's talk about the second method. The second method is like very easy. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to open your Play Store and you need to click on your profile icon and you need to select payments and subscription. Okay, once you select payment and subscription, you need to tap on subscription and you need to select your active subscription like Flo Pilates. Okay, and you need to tap on cancel button and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription by using Play Store on Android. If you are using Apple device, first of all you need to open your settings and you need to click on your you can say like profile icon, or you can like your name, and once you tap on your name you need to select pay subscriptions, and once you select subscription, all the list of your active subscription will available. You can select Flo Pilates app and you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. So by using these three methods you can easily cancel your Flo Pilates subscription. So if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.